What's going on, YouTube? We have a single box break again for Andrew here. Andrew's going to do Unparalleled, aka football's version of Revolution. Alrighty, good luck. Alrighty. Had to loosen up the sleeves a little bit. That's a thickie right on top. Yeah, we'll start with it. Could just be a patch. Or a dummy card or whatnot. Alright, Miles Boykin rookie. Number to 150 infinite. Sills rookie. Mac Attack, Elliott. Crossing rookie. Noah Font rookie. Benny Snell rookie. And touchdown, Aaron Rodgers. Jersey. To 150. I'll put this on top contenders for now. Alrighty, starting off with a Danny Dimes rookie. Jalen Ferguson rookie. Guess the next auto was a sticker auto. Rodney Anderson rookie. Not numbered. Spirit of the game, Nick Foles. Groove. Hey, there's a Kyler. Kyler Flight rookie. Chubb. Flight as well. And then rookie of Golston. Put the hits to the side here. Okay, this one's thick too, so we'll put that to the end. That might be the RPA. Bryce Love rookie. Rock Ya-Sin rookie. High Flyers, Saquon. Jarvis Landry. Number to 200, that's the Astro. Devin Bush, rookie. Flight. Robert Foster, Jared Goff, and Baker. There's another good rookie, Miles Sanders. Devin White. Dwayne Haskins, rookie focus. David Johnson to 200. Antonio Brown. Groove, not numbered. Jones. We got a Niesman rookie. And Edelman. All right, Byron Murphy. Thorson rookie. Thrill Victory, Kamara. Jameis Winston. Good old famous Jameis. Numbered to 150. That's the infinite. Dakota Allen rookie. Got a Mike Hilton rookie. Okwara rookie. And an Autry rookie. Will Greer. Ursula rookie. Van Der Esch, Cowboys, Spirit of the Game. I mean, this is a nice looking card. Jeff Wilson Jr. gonna play in the Super Bowl. That's numbered 1 of 75. That's the Impact parallel. Kerryon Johnson, McCaffrey, Riley rookie, and Harris rookie. All right, Riley Ridley rookie. Hey, Nicole Hardman. Not a bad rookie. There you go. Rookie review, Kyler Murray. It's a sharp card. 2 Kylers this box. That's more than I've ever pulled Sean from all of his boxes. Bryce Love rookie to 200 Astro. Sills rookie. Phillip Rivers, Lockett, and Thomas. And finally, the RPA. Good luck. We'll try to slow roll it. Got a Minshew rookie on top. Gardner Minshew. Wesley. I'm horrible at this. I thought there was another card in front. Irv Smith. Single color. Not numbered. That's okay. It's probably for the best I didn't slow roll it. Fitzmagic to 129. The Whirl parallel. Got a River. What is that? Crockraft? Groove. Trent Sheffield rookie. Chad Beebe rookie. And Zay Jones. Thanks again, Andrew. We'll put these with the other cards and get them out to you.